Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson we are looking at session highs and lows. So what you want to do is go to your study journal and create a new section which is called session highs and lows, and then basically create a new page for that specific day that you are in. So what you want to do is actually look at I've already outlined London highs and lows. Then you also have or rather you can just use this as the page that you're going to now insert your charts. So basically, if you go to your charts, what I've outlined is the 3 sessions that we are studying. What you want to do is outline those sessions. So London session, which is between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Then you have the New York session between 7 a.m. to 12 noon. Then Asian session between 20:00 p.m. and midnight open. Essentially, those are the sessions you want to outline. And what you want to do in this exercise, basically you want to outline the lowest low in London and the highest high in London. Then for New York, the same thing. So this is 7 a.m. created the low. Then the high was created at 10:15. Then for Asian session also indicate the low and the high. Essentially, that's what you need to focus on. So maybe I can demonstrate. So for London, we had that low. And during that entire period, the high was created right there. So just indicate the time that the high was created. This is at 4:15. So 4:15 a.m. Then the low was created at 4:30. 4:30 a.m. So remember, I'm still using the 15 minutes chart to outline these sessions and to outline these highs and lows. So for New York, you can see it is at 7 a.m. sharp. So this low was created at 7 a.m. and the high was created within that New York session. It was created at 10:15. So it has to be within the session. 15 a.m. Then for Asian, we are seeing the high. It is at 21:15. 21:15 p.m. Then the low during Asian, it should be the low. The low is this one here, 23:30. So the low was created at 23:30 p.m. 23:30 p.m. So essentially that's how you can now outline the session highs and lows. So remember, you're also doing it even on the dollar index. So at the same date, the same time you're doing Euro USD, you're also doing the same thing in dollar index, and you're just taking a screenshot and just annotating it in your study journal. So you just bring it here, and then if there's anything that maybe you want to add in your notes, you can add it. Maybe London open high, maybe you can indicate the time or something of the sort. So anything you want to indicate. High was at 4:15. At 4:15, maybe like that. New York, maybe a low or something. Anything you want to indicate in your text, you can just indicate it here. So that's how you can go about actually outlining the session highs and lows. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching.